My brother Clay Charles Lewis from Port Arthur, Texas sent me some pictures of his garden, and I couldn't believe the pictures that he sent me for his first time ever growing okra. Man, look at this. And I did some research on the benefit of okras. You see it contains potassium. You got vitamin B, vitamin C. Also good for diabetes type 1 and 2. I also did some more searching, and it's good for your hair, your skin. It's a lot of benefits of okra, but I'm going to show you a few pictures that he sent me.